Before this competition, I had never thought about Shunya as a positive concept. After this competition, I understand the importance of making sure that India's problems tomorrow should be zero. Zero malnutrition, zero back pain, zero problems in general for people in the rural areas especially. So this entire competition has changed who I want to be 5 years later.
When I was introduced to this show, I didn't know the meaning of Shunya. I was wondering why they have chosen the word Shunya. And then when I studied more and more, I came to know that Shunya means emptiness. So we have to begin everything from the scratch. And throughout this journey, I came across so many innovations across the country, so many new products which can meet the challenges of our current society.
Being from the MBA background and from the business side, I firsthand got to witness how innovators tackle small solutions, small problems, and how even small and easy solutions can bring about drastic changes. So that was very enlightening to how, considering the solar conduction drive that I worked on, it was groundbreaking considering how such a simple idea can radically transform so many lives of farmers. So after going through that and after going through what has been going on at the DuPont facilities, I have really soaked in this entire aspect of Power of Shunya now.
When we started off with the technology, we think of only sustainability aspects. But sustainability is kind of calling it zero, but it's not Shunya per se. Now, after listening to the term Power of Shunya, so when I talk about sustainability, the zero comes into the picture. So I always think, how am I going to make the overall net input to zero? Zero is the amount of losses that goes out. So Shunya has created a huge impact as such,